Good morning, India. Namaste. I want to tell you the importance of rising early in the morning. The morning is non-negotiable. The best thing is to get up at 5 a.m. in the morning and do meditation. This means you can have a very good day. You will have a very healthy day. You will have a very happy day, and you will have a very sound sleep in the night. Today I am going to do good day meditation. You know, an attitude of gratitude is very important in our life. We have been blessed with 5 tattvas from the universe, from the God, the earth, the sky, the fire, the air. All the elements we are using, and we are the children of the universe. We come from the universe, we belong to the universe, and after we die we will go back to the universe in the form of elements, molecules and particles. It is very essential that we have been given a home on earth. Mother Earth is giving us a place to live. We are grounded by the gravity of the earth. Otherwise, the life will not be possible. So we should be very thankful for the 5 tattvas. We should be thankful to our parents who gave us life. We should be thankful to our family which supports us to do so many things in our life. We should be blessed that we have beautiful children for which we live. So everything we use, water we drink, air we inhale, we must thank all of these elements which are making it and helping us in our survival and in our journey of the life. Our journey of life is not possible without the blessings of the universe. So what I will do, good day meditation, that we will today thank the 5 tattvas. We will thank all those who are helping us, supporting us for living a healthy, successful life in this world. You know, there is so much of stress in our day, and it is important that we relieve all that stress. These are all chemicals, these are all compounds which we should remove and pump into us positive chemicals which will give us energy, vigor, vitality, goodness, kindness, compassionate. We become kind, we become compassion, loving. Love is the greatest source of energy. Alright, so what I will do, I am taking a chair. You can sit on a sofa or on a mat comfortably in Sukhasana or in a chair. I am grounded on the back of the chair. In order to keep my spinal cord erect, I am keeping a pillow so that spinal cord should be erect. My feet are touching the ground, and I am taking my glasses off at a comfortable place. Relax yourself, relax your entire body, loosen yourself, quieten yourself, calm yourself. I will take 3 deep breaths from the nostril, exhale from the mouth. Now you sit comfortably, close your eyes. I am taking a chin mudra, or you may not do that. Simply put your 2 hands on your laps. Start breathing and observe your breath. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Take your consciousness, take your attention to the 2 nostrils where your breath is entering to the 2 nostrils. Then it goes to the neck and lungs, then belly, stomach, and to the entire body. Focus on your breath. Observe your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale as deeply as possible and exhale. When you exhale, you empty your stomach completely. I am thankful to the air, the element, the 5 tattva element air. I am very thankful to the air, for it provides me oxygen. And you know, without oxygen, my food cannot be digested and I cannot live. Keep inhaling, exhaling. I am thankful to the water. Water is my life. More than 75% of my body contains water. And most of the substances I eat become and dissolve in water. Therefore, water is my life. Without water, I cannot survive and live. I am also thankful to the sky. The blue sky looks so beautiful and I live under the roof of the blue sky. I am thankful to the fire, the element, 5 tattva element. The fire is very important, you know. With fire we make our meals. Fire is energy. With fire we cook all the things. With the fire you are making your lunch, your dinner and so many dishes every day. Fire is the fuel. I am very thankful to the fire. Keep inhaling and exhaling. I am thankful to the earth on which I live. Earth has given me a home. It is the only planet on earth on which the life is possible. The conditions are necessary for life exist on earth. And I am grounded by the gravity of the earth. I am now thankful to the parents who gave birth to me and I came on this universe. Keep inhaling, exhaling. I am thankful to the universe. I am the child of the universe and universe gives me positive signals. Universe gives me intuition. Universe keeps on sending opportunities to me with which I survive and live. I am thankful to the trees, to the plants which give us food and which provide us oxygen. I am also thankful to all the farmers who grow the food and give us food. I am also thankful to the birds, to the animals which live and because of them we are also living. Keep inhaling and exhaling. This is a good day. This is a blessing day. This is a day of attitude of gratitude. We are thanking each and every species, each and everything in the universe which helps us in living. I am thankful to the most important and the primary source of energy, sun. The sun, the solar energy is the energy with which the entire universe works. I am also thankful to all those people, to my gurus, to my mentors who help me in doing the things I want. Keep inhaling, exhaling, keep inhaling, exhaling. I am thankful to all those who are listening to me, all the people of all the world, of all the planet Earth, because I am connected with each one of the human beings which are living on planet Earth directly or indirectly. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Pay attention to your breath. Rub your hands, rub your 2 hands. As I rub the hands, heat energy is produced, healing energy is produced. Like a field of the magnet, I put it on my face. Keep inhaling, exhaling, keep inhaling, exhaling. And gentle massage to your face, to your eyes. And you can open your eyes with smiles. 1, 2, 3. Observe your hands. Observe the deep fingers in your hands very closely. Bring all your attention, all your focus on the fingers. These are the hands with which we work. These are the hands with which we create our life. And we are thankful to the universe, to the environment, to the God for all the gifts of life. Thank you. Have a blessed and a good day.